Hello. Yeah, can you see my screen now? Yeah, can you see now? Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay, is my screen visible now?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Sir, please still I can't see.
You can see. Now I've not written anything there. Okay. Can you all see now? I just wrote something there. Can you see what I've written there?
Yes.
What is that? Who can? Okay. Okay. So it's 3 by what? 1. Okay. Multiplication. So the one who cannot see, you can log out, okay, and join again if you are not seeing it, okay. The one who is not seeing just log out. I did the same thing, so log out and join again, okay. Okay, so let's start from here, because you already know that what we did 2 by 1, okay. Now if you are talking about 3 by 1, I'm talking about maybe I have 320, okay, times, let me see, times 7, okay. So this is 3 by 1, so 3 by 1, okay. So first thing, if you have a question like this, what will you do? Who can help us? Who can help us? Yeah, okay.
You expand the 300 with that would be 300 plus 20.
300, okay. 300 plus 20. So that will be the what you will do, okay. It will be 300 plus what? 20. Okay. Okay, so now that you have this, you have to break this one down. So here I'm going to multiply. Who can tell me what to do now? What is the next action? Hello? Yeah, who can tell us what to do now? So we are multiplying this. Okay, so 300.
Tomorrow I'm not coming in the morning. I'll pass you where they sell the chairs. So I'll see what they have there.
Okay.
And the cake we'll buy it tomorrow. But on Saturday we're going to see if we can buy the things.
Should we write what I'm writing on the board?
Yeah, we should write it.
We'll go on Saturday.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, you should write it. Okay, so times what? Times 7, right? Who can give me the answer? Fast. Now you know.
Sir, 2,900.
So 2100. Okay, so simply means 7 times 3 is 21, then you add your zeros. That is it. So now I have the next one will be 20 times 7, which also be, who can give me the answer?
140.
140. So 140. Okay, so you add your plus sign. Okay, so now this one will give us, who can give us the answer?
2,240.
Yeah, 2240.
That is our answer, sir.
Yeah, that is the answer. Okay, so it means that 7 times 320 is, sorry, I wrote 4, sorry.
That's a unit.
It's what? 2,240. So now this is what we do for 3 by 1. Okay, let's try another one here and see. So I'm having 9, 8, 7 times 9. I gave you the timetable, so I believe you guys went through, right? Have you all downloaded it?
Yes, sir.
You've not downloaded it. I told you all that you need is download and make sure you go through. Okay. Okay, I'll test you, so kindly do that.
Sir, download what?
I gave you times table you should use. Okay, that is the only thing you need, and this is what I gave you guys. When you come here, you don't need to know all the multiplication timetable. This is the only thing you need to know, and you are okay. If you know this, you are okay. There's nothing that you cannot do. Now this is what you need. Here, let me show you. Now when you come here, you can see here we have times table 1 to 10. Can you just click on it? Okay, you click on it, and then this chart you can see here. So you are supposed to know 9 times 9. You should be able to know 81. This is the only thing you need. The rest, forget about them. You don't need to know 12 times. No, you don't need to do all those things. Okay, so make sure all of you have this and learn them. Okay, okay, so we can continue from here. This is what we have. So I have this here. So now I need to, what do I need to do?
You need to write 900.
Okay, so I need to break 900 plus
plus 80 and plus 7. Okay. Okay, so this is what I'm having. So now I can come down here and do my own thing. So I have 9,
100 times 9, okay, which is equal to, who can give me the answer?
8,100.
Okay, so 8,100. Sorry. Okay, so now I have the next one, which is 80 times 9, okay, which you also give me,
720.
so 720. 720. Okay, so now from here you can either add the next one or decide to finish this and add. Let's do all. So you choose the one that is easy for you. Okay, so from here I can add this to this. Okay, I can decide to add this. So here will be what? 0, 2, 8, 8, right? Okay, so now I can come down and do computing for the next one, which will be 7 times 9, right? So I can have 7 times 9, okay, which will also give me, what will be 7 times 9? 7, 9, 7, 9, 63. So 63. You know the reason why I say you should learn the chart. Make sure you guys do that. So you are supposed to do this thing first. So now I have my 3 here, 8 here, okay, another 8 here, and another 8 here. Okay, so this will be the answer, which is what? 8,000 what? 883. Now you can decide to also do it this way. Instead of finishing this adding, you can continue from here and add the third one. When you are done, you add both. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so any way that you want it, you can choose to do it. Okay. Okay, so now let's do now I want us to, for instance, and I'm going to do it with you. I'm going to pair you guys. Now we are going to learn how to use our mind to do it. I know we have students from Takoradi, we have students from Ho, and then we have students from Accra, and we have students from Koforidua. So we can have a competition. So we are going to compete among ourselves. Students from Koforidua, students from Accra, students from Ho and Takoradi. So you are going to, I'll pick you guys. Now a question will be thrown to you. We want the minute, how one who will be able to give us the answer. If I give you, let's say, 800 times 99, you are supposed to give me the answer. But for now, we've not done double. We are dealing with 1 by 3 by 1 and 2 by 1. Okay, so I'm not going to give you that figure. Okay, I'll only give you the one that you can handle. Okay, so prepare yourself. Not today, that will be on Monday. Okay, so Monday we will do a lot. So Monday, prepare yourself. If you are in Accra, prepare yourself. You want to see which region can top. Okay, I want to see the best. Okay, so let's do that. Our last, when we are about to complete the course. Okay, sorry. Can you hear me now? Okay. When we are about to complete the course, now you compete with the robot. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to show you the robot that you compete with, and the robot can talk, can do anything as you human being can do. Okay, that's why we are saying we are dealing with robotic mathematics. Okay, I'm going to show you. Just a minute, I'll show you. Okay, so
This is the robot packing.
what?
Is the robot packing?
No. We have a lot of robots. Not just Quacky.
So it's an actual
Can you
robot.
see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you see this robot?
No, I can't see.
You can't see.
Yeah.
Can you see?
No.
Oh,
No.
you can't even see me. Okay, let me stop.
I can't see you. You can't see CKBS in your face. I can't see your face.
Okay, can you see me now?
Yes.
Okay, so have you seen this robot?
Yes.
So this, we are going to compete with this very intelligent robot. You can see the eye. Eyes. Now let me show you something. You are saying it's very tiny, but this is intelligent robot. Okay, I want to see if you can really be what? Yeah. So now I want to see if you guys can beat this robot. Okay, so you are going to compete with this robot. Yeah,
That robot looks like a person playing Roblox.
it look like what?
A person playing Roblox.
Okay.
It's true.
Now this one is intelligent robot. Okay,
Okay,
so I can talk to this robot. This robot can dance. This robot can mesh you, can play with you, can do it, so many things. Our last class, I'll demonstrate for you guys to see. Okay,
Sir,
don't worry.
sir, please, in the robotics course, are we going to compete with the robot? Are we?
Now,
Sir,
yeah.
in the robotics course, we will be getting a robot.
No,
Sir, is that robotics working?
this is not Quacky. This is not Quacky. This is not Quacky. Okay, this one is Alpha Mini. Okay, this is Alpha Mini. This is not Quacky. So this one is Mini. Okay, so now let's continue. Let's finish our course.
But since I didn't see the robot, I was out for a while. So I want to see them.
You didn't see the robot. Okay, let me show to you. Okay, this is the case. for the robots.
Okay.
You can see here.
So will we get one? So will we get one? So we get one.
So you can see the robots here. So
So
I
please,
want,
will we get some?
yeah. So now I want to see the one who beat this robot. If you're able to beat this robot, I will give it to you. If you're able to beat this robot, then I will give it to you. I can give it to you. I can send it to you. Okay. So let's see.
Did you send it to us or like?
What?
Will you send it to us?
I will send it to you. I will send it to you.
Face to face, right?
Yes. Okay, so let's continue. Okay. Okay, so now we have here we've gotten to this side. Now let's see how we can do that. Okay. So last thing is I have this. Let me write this one here. And I'm going to show you how to compute this. Okay. So I have this times 5. Okay. So now I believe you know that you have supposed to what? Break down what the problem you are having. Okay. So
Okay.
wait, I have to share my screen, sorry. Yeah, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I have this here. Okay, so the first thing is we need to break down this. Okay, which is what? Who can tell me? You need to.
600 plus 60 plus 3.
Okay, 600 plus 60 plus 3. Okay.
So you go down.
Okay, so now let's do the.
Then,
But-
so now you go down, then you write 600 plus
600
5. 6 times 5.
600 times 5.
Times
Okay.
5. So now, to break it,
Mhm.
to break this one down,
Mhm.
to break this one down, you have to calculate maybe 5 times 6 or 6 times 5.
So 5 times 6 is what?
I'm saying the answer is 35. 35.
Okay, 3,000. Okay, 3,000.
So please, are you supposed to write for 350?
Yeah, write them down. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so 3,000. Then I have here will be what? 60 times.
So 60 times 5 times 5. What
What?
will be 300? 300. 300.
It's what?
300.
300. Okay. Okay, 300.
300 plus.
Okay, so now here I'm going to have what? So I'm going to have 3 times what? 3 times 5. Okay.
3,000.
Which is also going to be what?
So the answer is
15. Okay.
no, 3 times 5 will be 30. 3 times 5 will be 30.
Hey, are you saying 3 times 5 is
That's
30?
3 times 10.
3 times 3. It's 3.
Yes, 3
It's 3. It's 3 times. 3 times 5 is what?
15.
Okay. So now, this is the tricks here. Now, when you are entering 5, let's say this is 1000.
15.
Okay. So now let's come here. I want
That
to.
the answer is going to be 3315.
Okay. So now I want to show you how to do this in your mind. Okay. If there should be a competition, this is how you should calculate with your mind. So let's do that. Okay. So okay, so now let's do this in our mind. This is how you do it. Now when you have something here and you exceed 1000, you can see this one is in 1000. Okay, there is no way that you will get a number that will add up to this 3. Okay, so when you are in the first column in 1000, it means that if I'm supposed to answer this and you ask me 663 times 5, and in my mind I will break this one down. Okay, so when I first multiply and I will say okay 3000, so my answer I can just boldly say 3000. Then I'll quickly do this in my mind, and I know 300 will not come here. It will be in 100. This is 1000. This is 1000. Okay, this is 100. This is what 10. So once I get this, I know that it will come in the next row, and then so I can say 3300, because I know this one will go to the 10th row, so I can just give out the answer. So here when you are doing, you can just say 3000 while you are waiting for your next one in your mind. Then you come 300 and what 15. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. This is when you are in thousands. When you are in thousands, there's no way it will be like this, so you can quickly. When it's not in thousand, okay, let's take example for this one. Okay, this one is not in thousand. Okay, so I'm having 300 plus 20. Okay, so when we multiply the first line, okay, 300 times 7 give us what? 300 times give us, what is the answer here?
2,100.
3,000 what?
2,100.
2,100. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, what are you saying?
Hi. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hi.
Ah.
Hey, your line is breaking.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now here we are in what? Another 1,000. So definitely we know that the 2 is safe. Okay, but then when you see that it's 2,100, so this is not 0. Okay, so you know that definitely you can get a number that will add up to the 1 to change it. Okay, the moment you see 0, 0, then it means that you can boldly say your answer, because you know if anything added up, it will be the number. Any number plus 0 is the same number. But this case we are having what? 1. Okay, so once I multiply my next one, so here I can say 2,000. I won't mention the 100. Okay, so I will say 2. If I'm doing this here, I will say 2,000, just omit the 100. Okay, in my mind I will say this one out. Okay, 320 times 7. So I will do my breakdown. Then here I will multiply 7 times 300, which I know that is 2100. So I will say 2000. Okay, then quickly have to do this, which is what? This times this will give me what? 100 and what? 40. So you know that definitely this and this is what? 100. So they are in one column, so you can say 2200. Then you are waiting for what is there. Do you understand? So always you have to know your thousands, your 100. So when you get anything related to the 100 column, you know that you are adding that one up. When you have something, assuming we have something related to the tens column, it means that I can add something to that. Have you gotten the secret?
Yeah.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one I will say 2000, then I'll multiply here. I know that I'm getting my 140, so I'll say 2200, because I know I have 100 here. I'll add my 100 here, so I say 2200. Then your last 40, that is it, you add it. Okay, this is how you use your mind. So you have to store information in your mind. Now you learn how to store, so you know that okay, I've taken this, you left with this. If you are having your money in your hand, your mother have given you money, the moment you take something, okay, I've taken, my mother gave me 200 today, I've removed 100 from it. With my mind, I know what is left, don't you? Yeah, so we need to, everything is practical. You've been doing that. Once they give you money and you remove some, you know what is left. Okay, let's apply the same principle here. Okay, so we are training our mind how to do calculation with our mind, how to store those information in our mind and process those information. Okay, so now you'll be doing the calculation with your hands. You understand. The first thing, you need to understand the process. You need to understand how everything is going. Now you have to sit down. You need to practice. Now the reason why I've been giving you more work is because I want you to practice more. That's why mostly see I can give you 15, 10, because you need to practice. The more you practice, the perfect you become. Okay, so as you do that, you begin to learn the process quicker and quicker. Okay, so now you already understand all these things. So now if I have this one also here, 900, 87 times 9. So if I have this, you know that your breakdown is done here. Okay, so if I multiply 900 times 9, I know it's 81. Okay, so quickly you can say 8,000 in your hand. Then you multiply this 9 times 80, which will also give you 720. So you know 700 plus what your 100 will give you 800. So you can say 8,800, and then you know that your 720, you were left with what, 20. Okay, so you add it to add, so that you know that it's 8,820. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now here you see that you have 7 here. So you multiply this by this, you know that definitely you are going to add this to this, 20 to this, because 20 and 63, they are in the same column. Okay, so the 20 is going to change towards 80, and you add your 3. So these are the exercise that you are going to do with your mind, and I want all of you to make sure you practice them. Okay, if you have your sister at home, you can practice with them. Okay, try, let them give you the question, try with them.
Sir, the meeting over.
Hello, can you hear me?
Sir, Pastor, the meeting over.
The meeting is not over. Okay, We have 1
We
minute.
have 1 minute left.
1 minute left. Okay. So please, have you gotten all that I said? Have you gotten that?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll
Yes.
you can do what I gave you. Okay. Yesterday, if you've not done it, please kindly do that. And then I'll put the 3x1 to there. Okay. So check it later. If you have any question, you can ask me. If there's no question, you can leave. We are done with the class. If there's no question, you can leave. Okay.
Okay, sir. Bye-bye. Okay, sir. See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. No, I'll send it. Okay. No, it's not there now. I'll do it later. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Hello.
Sir, please.
Hello,
We
sir.
only have 7 people here.
Yeah, good evening, sir.